When did you start? What hit you that you decided to start this?
The last appointment we had by our doctor, and that's when the doctor told us, I love you guys, but I have to tell you, I don't think it's happening in your lifetime anymore. We more or less expected this to come, but when it came, it was like the world, like the skies opened up. I couldn't believe I'm going to hear those words. They were very hurtful. So when we were driving home, and we were both quiet, deep in thought, it came to a time of well, I said, something, Shlomo, the American really told us a big no today, but I think we're going to respond with a big yes. We are going to turn our koiches into helping other people. We'll build Klal Yisrael through other people. Our family will be through Klal Yisrael. I was driving, you out of your mind?